We know you want to make better videos. We do. We understand it. We get it. And we want to share 4 secrets on how to do that right now. I'm Alex with your local studio.
And I'm Evan.
And we're going to dig into these 4 secrets, and it really all starts with
Pre-production.
Pre-production, the planning, all before you even hit record.
Oh, yeah.
Let's start with the first secret.
Yes. Secret number 1 is know your story structure. Now, you might think of stories. What does that do with marketing videos? But underneath every video, there's a story structure of some point. So the most common one that you're familiar with is the hero's journey. Ooh. And you might hear the word hero and you're like, wait, what? What's that? What's that? Anything? Or you might hear that and say, oh, hero, that's obviously me. I'm the business. But really, in this story structure, the hero is the customer.
Oh,
yes.
The customer is the hero. So then, what is the business?
The business is the wise sage figure, the Gandalf, if you will, that comes alongside the hero, the customer, to help them in their journey.
So if we're taking Lord of the Rings film there, Frodo is the customer and the business is the Gandalf, the wizard, and they're providing the products and services to equip them to achieve and become the hero in their own journey.
Yes, exactly.
Very cool. Secret number 2 is to make them feel something.
Ah, yes, hit them in the feels.
Right in the feels.
Yeah.
The secret here, the secret, is choosing one emotion, something that they are feeling in that video. Because if you try to do too many, you're probably going to fail.
Yeah.
Humor is always great. It sometimes can be hard to do, but if you look at any great videos out there, you always end with a feeling, and that most likely is then connected to your brand, to that company. And that can help make better videos.
Yeah. I feel very strongly about this video.
Me too. Okay.
Secret number 3 is make boring facts exciting. Now, it's not enough to just throw numbers and data and stuff at people. You really want to share the story behind the data. In other words, you want to humanize it.
Oh, so it's almost like finding a person, maybe a past customer, and tell the data that you have of how awesome your product is through their eyes.
Definitely. You can even use pictures or images, other video to help tell that story that's really lying there behind the numbers.
Visual representation of the data, not just here's a nice bar graph.
Yeah.
Why we're awesome.
Exactly.
Secret number 4 is ask better questions. Often you have to interview someone, a past customer, your own boss, or someone on camera, and it's about asking better questions. Don't you agree?
Yes.
That was a bad question. Good questions are open-ended. This is where you can really dig in and find the real meat of a story and keep someone engaged in your entire video, and then obviously like what you have to offer as your business.
So those were our 4 secrets to making better videos. We actually have secret number 5 for you. Ta-da!
Secret.
We actually split out all of those secrets into separate videos that go deeper into each topic. So if you want to learn more about each one, definitely check those out.
Now, you can go do that.
You know, I heard that 73.6% of people will watch those videos.
And I believe you, because I can see through your eyes and the emotion that I'm feeling. And do you agree with that about how you feel about that? That's a bad open question, open-ended question.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't do that.